And now to the story of a dental assistant in Iowa whose boss fired her because he said she was too attractive. That's right. There were no accusations of cheating or flirting. Her only crime was looking too good. And the state's highest court has now sided with the boss. Here's ABC's Tanya Rivero.
Melissa Nelson spent 10 happy years working as a dental assistant until she was fired because her boss said she was too tempting and a threat to his marriage. On Friday, the all-male Iowa Supreme Court unanimously agreed dentist James Knight was justified when he fired an employee he saw as an irresistible attraction.
I'm devastated. I really am. There's not an appeal. The state is as far as we can go.
The decision is sparking much controversy. Some employment attorneys are calling it a dangerous throwback.
I wouldn't have been surprised if it was a decision that was written in 1970, maybe by the characters of Mad Men.
The 32-year-old married mother of two says she saw her employer as a father figure and was shocked when Dr. Knight admitted even though she was great at her job, he couldn't be trusted around her.
You know, after working so many years side by side, I didn't have any idea that would have crossed his mind.
According to court documents, Dr. Knight referenced Nelson's infrequent sex life, saying that's like having a Lamborghini in the garage and never driving it. And when the doctor's wife discovered him sending text messages to his assistant, it was his wife who demanded she be fired. Nelson sued for gender discrimination.
I think the women in Iowa should probably start going to work in burqas for fear that their boss might find them sexually attractive and terminate them.
Dr. Knight's lawyer gave ABC News this statement. Nelson was not terminated because of her gender, but to preserve the best interests of his marriage.
I think it's sending a message that men can do whatever they want in the workforce.
Nelson's lawyer tells me they've both received a huge outpouring of support, with some even offering to pay legal costs. But after 3 long years of fighting, there can be no more appeals since Nelson alleged a violation of state law, Dan, and not federal.
And it bears repeating, all the judges, male.
Unanimous decision.
Interesting. All right, Tanya Rivero, thank you.